Alright, so I'm currently here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin at Pumping Station Park with their P50. Don't mind the guys cutting the trees down over there. A little bit of noise, but unfortunately Milwaukee County is not testing today. I don't know why they canceled. They pretty much had no reason to cancel. I know it's overcast, but look, the sun is shining bright as ever can be. But anyway, that's interesting. It says wasn't, as in wasn't me. Here we have a brand new box for the radio and the RTU. Funny story. I was gonna collect the old box for this Siren, but instead I collected the one for Jackson Park's yellow P50, so I own that box. As far as I'm aware, it's still reverse wired, but the only way of really telling is to hear it, and sadly I won't be doing that today. So I'm not really sure what to think, but honestly, I think Milwaukee County EMA are the biggest pussies when it comes to testing the tornado sirens. So, you heard it from me. I mean, having dealt with several times where the Milwaukee County EMA did not test, this has got to take the cake, because it's not winter, there's no severe weather threat. The sky, I mean, I know it's overcast, but like I said, the sun is shining, there's no rain, it's completely dry. I don't get it. I really don't. And then it looks like there's been some graffiti over here. It says no cops allowed. And this says unlawful assembly, hardcore fucking punk. Yeah, I'm pretty much done with Milwaukee for tornado siren tests. I'm done. Because just to put it into perspective, it's been almost 2 years since I last recorded a successful Milwaukee test. That was in November of 2021 at Merrill Park's reverse wired P50. That one, oddly enough, is fixed now. I don't know about this one though. So, shut up, would ya? So yeah, it's been 2 years and I have a fucking bee chasing me right now. Well, I guess I'm gonna hit the road, but you know, this to me is just as crazy as B-Rogue built fucking up James the Stradman's Lamborghini, which he took to their shop to have twin turboed, and he's been without the car for 3 years, and he got it back, and the car was a piece of shit. So, I really don't get it. I don't get why the world has to make such poor choices, because as he says, if you can't do something, just be honest about it.